What's going on? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Inspiron 5620. Stay tuned.
Parts People Tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Definitely note that there are two versions of this model, and that this tutorial is aimed specifically for those that have the NVIDIA GeForce MX 570. If you're not sure which one you have, go to the search bar in Windows and type in Device Manager. From there, go ahead and navigate to the Display Adapters dropdown, and you can find out which you have. I recommend using a plastic scribe, as well as a Phillips number 000 for the bottom base cover, and then a Phillips number 0 for the rest. So if you need these or a Dell replacement part, I'll leave a link below. Alright, first loosen the two captive screws and then remove the remaining screws. Then use your plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. Alright, now you're ready to unscrew and disconnect the battery. The reassembly of your part is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.